Hey everyone, it's attorney Bianca Jordan from brazenlegal.com. Today's quick Q&A video is to answer this question. Are fee waivers going away? So in order to apply for an immigration benefit, you have to pay a filing fee. But there are certain applications that allow you to waive the filing fee if you can't afford it. And in order to waive it, you have to submit a fee waiver application. Typically, in order to qualify for a fee waiver, you have to show that you really can't afford the application fee. So you have to show that your income isn't high enough, or one of the most common and sometimes easiest ways in which to get a fee waiver is if you can prove that you are already receiving a means tested benefit, such as food stamps, or if you are receiving health insurance through the Affordable Care Act, or in Massachusetts, it's called Mass Health. And so USCIS announced that effective December 2nd, 2019, it's removing the means tested benefit way in which to get a fee waiver. So you'll have to now show actual income and your tax returns, and you really have to show that you can't afford the application fee. You can't use the means tested benefit anymore effective December 2nd. So if you're considering applying for an immigration benefit that has a filing fee and also enables you to apply for a fee waiver, such as US citizenship, for example, then definitely try to apply before December 2nd so that you can still get that fee waiver and apply for the immigration benefit. I hope you found this video helpful. Please visit brazenlegal.com to learn more about me and my law firm and how I can help you. Thanks for watching.